Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CryptoAI token. Ticker symbol is CAI. This token is being listed tomorrow on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the name of the token is all one word, CryptoAI, ticker symbol CAI. This token is being listed tomorrow, February 9th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, CryptoAI aims to revolutionize the crypto landscape by providing users with powerful and innovative tools in the form of powered Telegram bots whose solutions to gain time, automate things, and make it easier for trading crypto. Total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, this token. It says right now they have 2,768 total transfers. Their Etherscan here is only half popping up for some reason. Okay, it's loading, I guess. We'll give that some time, but anyways, we'll come back to that. So it says max transaction for this token is 1% and max bag is 1%. So that's to prevent whales from pump and dumps and stuff like that. So 85% of the tokens go to Uniswap's liquidity pool. 15% of the total supply is reserved for central exchange listings like MEXC Global, partnerships, and team tokens, which are vested. So it says if you do buy or sell this token from Uniswap, there is going to be 5% taxes on buys and sells that goes to marketing, development, liquidity pools, and a contest pool. So you are going to have to set slippage. There will be some network fees and gas fees. So just be aware of that if you are going to get it off of Uniswap. Of course, you know, it is MEXC Global has super low fees, so that's why it's a good reason to get the token off of Uniswap. Now, what is this all about? So it says bringing AI to the masses. So it has a overview on their white paper of the artificial intelligence market on here. So you can go over all that. They talk about Google, they talk about Apple, Facebook, all the tech giants basically like Amazon. So CryptoAI is easy access to artificial intelligence services for all. AI applications are primarily available in research circles, technology startups, and corporate entities due to the complexity and cost. Access to AI technology is difficult for those outside of those circles, including people in rural areas that may lack access to adequate resources, or those in developing countries with insufficient capital or infrastructure. Furthermore, many people have difficulty understanding the complexities of the technology due to the overall deficiency in scientific education worldwide. The unequal access to AI also perpetuates inequality related to income level and geography. Those without proper exposure or tools necessary for leveraging enhancements in this field could experience an increased economic burden and social disparity compared to those with greater resources and knowledge. This reinforces a sense of exclusion that inherently proves harmful across societies. The issue of providing wider access to AI use must be addressed as early as possible if we are aiming to progress within the domain at a larger scale, and that's where CryptoAI comes in. Our project is willing to offer top-notch AI services to anyone with a Telegram or Twitter account. No need to register anywhere or be worried about collected data. Our bots are safe, anonymous, free, and fast to use. Artificial intelligence services have a long way to go before they're used by the average person. The role of CryptoAI will be to bridge the gap between them and artificial intelligence. While YouTube was not the one to invent the concept of recording or uploading videos online, they nevertheless made it simple enough to become a mainstream activity. The AI market is still young, and this bridge does not exist so far. By linking some of these services to cryptocurrencies, we also ensure that the complete ecosystem can be created with every branch of it maintaining the whole. But before we go into more details about this, let's start by presenting all the current bots that are available on the project. So they have crypto buys, the best way to track on-chain buys. So that's their first one there. So they have Telegram bots that are going to do that as well. So they also have, it says the benefit of the CryptoAI bot to the CAI token ecosystem. So crypto buys will be available for everyone willing to add their own Telegram group. It can be set up easily. You can pair it with tokens, customize information, emojis, videos, images appear, all sorts of cool stuff there. They also have their direct swap, the game changer of crypto trading, the inherent issues of buying a token on a DEX. So they're going to solve that problem as well with direct swap. Introducing the direct swap bot, the true solution to facilitate buys on decentralized exchanges. They also have the multi-AI, which is AI chatbot. It says similar to ChatGPT, same sort of idea, but obviously this one has to do with crypto and their token. They also have Contest AI, a 24/7 bot rewarding buyers. They have 24/7 bot rating. And then they have the native token that links this all together. And besides that, they're going to do marketing. And they have a big conclusion on here, frequently asked questions, like how do I buy the token? How do I add a bot to my Telegram group? What is the 24/7 buy contest? All these things are available on their white paper, which you can find at cryptoai.gitbook.io. And you can find this token newly listed tomorrow on a central exchange called MEXC Global. And MEXC Global referral code is down there in the description box, so check that out. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token down there in the comment section? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.